Guys, come in. We've got 20 plus brothers now. I've done a challenge for them where whoever gets the most jobs on right now, £1,000 cash to them in their bank accounts. I will transfer 20 plus brothers making calls non-stop for the next 2 hours, inshallah. Let's see what happens. So now what we're gonna do, I want you smashing the calls as much as possible. The person today that picks up the most jobs gets most businesses to say, yes, we need someone over the next 2 hours. We'll get £1,000 from me, inshallah. So guys, start smashing the calls, 2 o'clock to 4 o'clock. Pick out the phones. Whoever gets the most jobs on, it's on me.
Pressure.
Got me sent.
I was testing their speed.
I've got a strong AC engineer, pretty local to you guys. I was just checking to see if you'd be on the lookout for anyone at the moment.
So you're looking anywhere from 35k to 45k.
Something you guys are hiring at the moment?
Okay, amazing. I'll send you over some CVs and we'll try and figure something out. That's a job.
It's a job.
Locked in. Yeah.
There we go.
Would I be able to kind of send across an email to you guys just to kind of see if some of the lads that I've got are relevant?
And roughly what was the rate? Okay, no problem. I'll send the CV across hopefully by the evening today. Okay. Alright, cheers. Thank you. Thank you, Andy. Have a good day.
Is that cool? Is it a job?
Yeah, he said send the CV.
Is there a reason to why you don't work with recruitment? If it's the issue with the money, you know, I'm not looking to get anything out of that, to be honest. For this one, yes.
Nah, it's not a job. Not a job. You're doing free jobs, bro. You got to tell everyone I'll do it for free and then pick up jobs and then take a grind. Have we got jobs this table? Yeah, we've got 2. 2? Long bad. Who do I think's gonna win? Who's my money on? My money's actually on it, right? I'm gonna say 2 people. I'm gonna say Ihsan and Fardeen, I think his name is, or Farid. I'm gonna say these 2 brothers. Ihsan also looks like my brother-in-law. That's why I like him.
Do you have an idea about the salary budget or not? He wants me to send him a CV.
You got
CNC Turner. Same as half a job, bro.
Don't say half a job to me, bro.
Half a job.
Is it a full job or not?
We want CVs first, is that feel?
Okay, yeah.
You know what I mean?
Is that a job?
Yeah, it's a job. He's a good one, bro.
What you got now?
No worries at all, mate. I've read it half of the future.
That already happened. I said no to that.
So I just got a couple of drivers that are looking for work. You know, it's close to yourself and Spalding. Just trying to help them get back into work, really. Sure, I can do that, but it just depends on what you need, really.
I'll send it over to Daniel's email. Would it be helpful to send it over to yourself as well? Thanks a lot, mate.
Is that a job?
So I've got an account assistant looking for a position. He's fairly local to the firm. Is there something that you're looking for as of right now? Okay, that's fair. No worries at all, mate. I've read it.
Okay, what you do now, you move him to a list and you have him as, you know what, client A, for example. Keep in touch with this guy, build a relationship with him. Your key here shouldn't be trying to make money with him right now. Your key should be, let me keep in touch with this guy over 2, 3, 4 months and have about 10 of these guys. So then once you now 3 months down the line, they're gonna be like, yeah, imagine the guy that's gonna get us drivers. What I want you to take from all of this is, you know what, when you pick up the phone, you have conversations, some people say no, some people say yes, and then you create a situation. That's it.
I do have about maybe 6, 7 more people that I could provide you if that would be something you would like. I was just about to ask you when you would be able to interview them. We can do Tuesday, yeah. If I may, would you be able to give me exclusivity till we get to the interviews? Okay, thank you very much. Just to confirm with you, I'll send over those 5 CVs for you for the interviews on Tuesday. I'll get over to you by tomorrow latest, if that's alright with you. So I spoke to him originally about one candidate, because he said a few other people. I said, alright, let me be cheeky. I said, what about, I have maybe 5, 6, 7 people that I could potentially give you at a high caliber, and then we'll go down for Tuesday.
Now you need to find the 5 people?
Yeah.
On Tuesday.
But is that 5 jobs?
Is that 5?
Yeah, that's 5 jobs.
Nah.
I think that's 5 jobs, yeah.
How do you feel?
I'm shaking. Did you not see me?
I didn't want to say, he said it
I'm
himself.
from the hood, bro. I'm thinking, yo, my pops is gonna do me. If he finds out I'm from with a bag like this.
Carry on, though. Because you can't have it 5 jobs, someone else gets 6 now.
At the moment,
The brothers on 3, 4 jobs already, bro.
Let's say the guy obviously ticks all your boxes. When are you able to interview? What do you say?
What exactly is the role? Is it installation, service?
Is that a job?
Yeah, man.
There we go.
You wanted a team of 3 people, one spot, one roofer and one labourer.
Can you get him that?
Come on, man. Of course.
You got the description. What do you mean?
Like, so you know exactly what they want, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And you got their
Spark,
contact, did you?
yeah, I've got the email down.
Bro's got 3 jobs. That's 3 jobs. There you go. You're up. Like that.
You got 1 job though. You guys are. Jamal, just send me your details now, bro. I'll be honest with you. 51 minutes, guys. 51 minutes. We got 7 jobs here with 1 guy. Step on it, boys. So you made the call. When you turned around, as soon as you put that question to them, what is it that you might be on the lookout for? They turned around and they said, what? CNC what?
CNC millers. Chemical engineer.
Have you picked up jobs before this?
No.
Okay. Look, the point is this. Like when you pick up the phone, like, you know, once you have the brothers just picked up jobs as well. Have conversations, speak to people, and people, look, if they need someone, they will tell you, yeah, I need someone.
Right, I'll send across any CVs that do suit your criteria, Danny, and I'll give you a ring. Alright?
Bro, you know what it is? I got that Dixon Hadley, bro. He told about fake jobs.
He goes, what's your fee? I said, we work anywhere with 15 to 18%, but 30% fee. And he goes, oh, that's too expensive. I said, listen, don't worry about the fees or anything like that. Just tell me exactly the type of guy that you're looking for. If I do find the guy for you, then that's brilliant. If not, then you know what I'm saying, we don't work with a job, but it's completely free. I'm not charging you anything right now. He said, okay, say no more. So he just gave me some of the.
So he's looking for someone, isn't it?
Yeah, got the job.
Alright.
Yeah, so basically I've just got a couple of skill sets engineers here. What skill set is it preferable that you would look at? Look from here for you, yeah? Thank you. Bye-bye. I did fumble it a bit.
Was that a job?
Yeah. Literally what he did as well. I said, look, just send it over. If you like it, you like it. If not, you never hear from me again. Well, I'll tell you what happened. So you got a job on, but you didn't speak to the decision maker themselves. They did say they're looking for someone. They gave the email off the right person. Basically, if the business says, yes, we're looking for someone, and they know that you're an agency, they obviously know they're going to have to pay you to find someone. That's obvious, right? So yeah, we can class that as a job.
Just give me your email, and then I can send some guys over to you, and then you can speak to them yourself.
How many was that?
3, bro.
That was
Again, the same
3.
thing.
So what's that now? 7?
8, bro.
Competition next to you.
I'm on 6.
You're on 6?
Yeah, 6. Trying my best, man. He's going clear now.
We've got 8 and we've got 6.
What are you doing, man?
Bro, that's 6 jobs,
Pick
man.
up the phone, man.
I thought you were picking up the phone with us today.
I'm here just to mental.
Yeah.
The one thing I need everyone to take from today is if you turn up, if you pick up the phone, if you have conversations, you will pick up jobs. That's the only thing that I want.
Have excuses, you know. I'm sure my English is not even like.
It's 10-10, bro.
Guys, but still, it works. So imagine somebody having.
And by the way, you will only get better and better. Because right now, you'll be like, how do I say this? What should I say here? What should I do here? But actually, 3 months down the line, bro, this will be like second nature to you, inshallah. But bro, smash it, man.
He's looking for a full permanent role. Say £18. He's looking for the £18 mark.
What's this? The cameraman doing it? Just got a job. What? You got a job. You got a job? I'm taking your job, bro. You're under my payroll, G. That's how it works. We're the cameraman doing recruitment.
Got crazy numbers.
Back on to work.
Can you guess what's on?
This guy's not stopping this one.
You know what he's on? 9.
Oh, 9?
Yeah. I'm staying right here.
Okay.
Is that 10?
No worries, 10, bro.
That's 10.
How many you get?
10.
10, yeah?
Bro, he's been putting in the work, man. He's smashing it.
How many you got?
I've got 8. He's got 10.
You got 8, you got 10.
No, it's the hard part. Finding candidates and everything.
Bro, his heart was beating, bro. I can see it, bro.
Alright, what's up?
We'll read the email out. Are you happy for me to read the email out?
Yeah, 100%.
Good afternoon, Abdullah. Thank you for your call earlier. We will have a new branch opening soon, for which we will require an additional 7 to 8 staff. So 7, 8 jobs. What company? You're still alright. You're still alright. Well, you get me emotional, man. Come on, don't do this to me. You know what it is? I'll tell you something though. The main thing is, look, how many jobs you picked up today? 10 jobs. Yeah, you have to understand something. If you could do this every single day, I'm not saying you get 11 jobs on every day, but you came here today, you picked up the phone, you had conversations. And by the way, you're smashing it out good. Like, obviously, there was the grand initiative, all of that stuff, cool. But really and truly, you're probably sitting on like 30 G's at the moment. No, but it's true though, right? It's true. Okay, one candidate, if he gets the job, you're looking at 2, 3, 4 grand placements, right? Now the thing is, you have to think of a perspective of, I just need to put in the work, clearly this works, clearly I can pick up jobs, clearly businesses will work with me, now I need to send CVs forward. And if I send CVs forward, you're gonna make money, bro.
I'll say.
How many calls have you made?
Too many, man.
Huh?
I'm an advisor, bro. You know how this
Since when? You were meant to be calling today.
No.
When did you turn into an advisor? Yeah, let me sort this knot out. Yeah, bro, this is what you have to do, innit, for your boys and that.
He said, look, I can't say anything without seeing the CV.
So are you asking me whether it's a job?
If it's qualified or not.
I think this isn't an active job.
It's not an active.
How many jobs are you on right now? 8. Well, we got 2 minutes now. The other brother's on 10 though, that's the only thing. So, we'll reveal who it is. We'll reveal who it is. 10 jobs. 10 to 9 jobs. Listen, bro, if you could pick up 9 jobs in a day, then imagine what you can do for yourself. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah. 2
He's back on it. I love it. All right, let the director finish the call. He's not giving up. You see that? He don't care about the grind. He just wants to do it for his business. Hang on. I was going to say, let me just pass it over to my director, but I would have closed 100%. Okay, so bismillah. The point, guys, I wanted to make to you guys, when we started today, several people were like, I've made calls, I've not picked up jobs. Today, let me get a hand up. How many people picked up jobs today? Hands up. How many people picked up jobs today? Cameraman as well, yeah? Bro, basically everyone has picked up jobs. I need you guys to understand something. When you put in the effort, things happen, man. It's not that confusing. And the whole point of us getting together today, honestly, was nothing apart from motivating you guys and making you feel like, you know what, clearly, man, this does work. I just need to put the effort in. The biggest reason you won't see success, it's not because it doesn't work. It's not because you ain't got the information, the knowledge. It's because you don't put the effort in. By the way, if I didn't think today would work, if I thought, and really think about this, if I thought you guys couldn't pick up jobs, would I arrange today? Think about that. Like, imagine I stood here and I was like, yeah, everyone's going to make calls. And then everyone turned around and said, yeah, no one picked up jobs. How silly would I look? I always know it works, man. I've been doing it for 13 years. I know it works. And so it's a case of you guys need to pick up the phone, do the actions, and it will happen. So on that note, Alex, let's get clapping, man. Let's get clapping, man. Alex. All right, Alex, my man. Jobs, how many jobs you got on? 10 jobs. And we got another brother, to be fair. How many jobs you get on? 9. How many, who else was close? Bro, how many jobs do you get on? 12. Huh? The same client, isn't it, though? Shariah, can we get a VAR check? Can we get a VAR check? Can we? 359.
5 is for the brands that they have, and 7 to 8 for the new one.
What are you guys saying?
Give everyone a grand.
Listen, unfortunately, it is what it is, isn't it? You just got 12 jobs on.
That's cool. I'm happy for you, my brother.
But we'll sort something out for the runner-up as well. We'll do this. £500 for Alex and £1,000 for my man there.